Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use and apply on your device. So let's open the dialer and let's tap on the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and I think the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, the device information just pops out, and here we can check the IMEI number and also a serial number attached to this device. Actually both IMEI numbers, because they are divided between two SIM slots. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is let's say similar to this one. It is to the previous one. It is *#07#. And thanks to this we can check the regulatory information. So here we've got the model of this device and FCC ID. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar. It is *#225#*#. And as I said, we are in a calendar info. Here we will have all the events in one place and counted in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So let me get it back. That's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the Diagnostics. It is *#426#*#. And as I said, we are in the Diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. After tapping on events, we can also check some further technical, I would say, details. What's more, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this three-dot icon, tap on advanced view and tap on status again. And as you can see here, we can check more info, just like, for example, network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back. That's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the engineering mode. It is *#2486#*#. And here we've got some permissions which we have to give to our device. So just do it. Allow. Okay, and as you can see, we are in a engineering mode. Here we've got, for example, the sequence mode option, model assembly mode, or MMI test. What's more, we can tap on here, and as you can see here, we've got the info that we've got no ALT test run on this device. So let's say this is a very technical code. And let me show you the last one, which is *#4636#*#. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode, so here we can check, for example, phone info, usage statistics, Wi-Fi and NFC settings. So let me tap on the phone information, for example. And as you can see, here we can check some details like the IMEI number, phone number, car network, data service, data network type, or signal strength. What's more, we can run ping test. Just tap here, and here you've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get it back and let's check usage statistics. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all apps and all actions which are on your device. And right now they are sorted by usage time, but you can also tap here and change the usage time for last time used or app name. And after tapping on it, you can see that apps are listed alphabetically. Okay, let me get back and let's enter the Wi-Fi information, and here we can check the API the configuration or the status. So let me pick the status, let's refresh the stats, and here you can check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can run ping test here also. Let's get back, and here we've got also NFC settings, and here we've got one option. Actually, after tapping on it, you can choose the mode. So from HCE you can change into SIM. So let me get back because that's all for this code, and actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.